Good morning, everyone. Myself, Dr. Swati Chauragade. I am the junior resident from Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, Sevagram, Varda, Maharashtra. I am here to present my study on clinical presentation of glaucoma based on socio-economic profile. Glaucoma is defined as a multifactorial chronic progressive optic neuropathy caused by a group of ocular conditions causing damage to retinal ganglion cells at levels beyond the normal baseline age-related loss, resulting in the optic disc changes and the corresponding visual field defects, with the raised intraocular pressure being the important modifiable risk factor. After cataract, glaucoma is the second most common cause of blindness worldwide, and it is becoming more common and predicted to afflict the 111.8 million individuals worldwide by 2040. The aim of the study was to evaluate the clinical and the social profile of glaucomas in a tertiary care rural hospital, and the objectives were to determine the clinical types of glaucomas among the patients presenting to glaucoma clinic and to document a socio-demographic profile of the study population. And all the consecutive glaucoma patients presenting to glaucoma clinic were studied, excluding the childhood glaucoma and the ocular hypertension. It was a hospital-based analytical study where the 70 consecutive glaucoma patients were studied over a period of 6 months. And the suspected glaucoma cases were further worked up, for which included the Goldmann applanation tonometry, gonioscopy, assessment of angle of anterior chamber, OCT and perimetry were done wherever feasible. And all these patients were then categorized based on the socioeconomic status scale updated for 2019. And the scale included the scores for the education of the head of the family, occupation of the head of the family, and monthly family income. And the scores were calculated and categorized. And this was the pro forma used where the clinical risk factors like the age, the sex, systemic hypertension, diabetes mellitus, and the history of any ocular trauma or ocular surgery, and the refractory errors were asked. And the information regarding the socio-demographic profile like the habitat, if the patient is APL or the below poverty line card holder, or the monthly family income, education of the head of the family, occupation of the head of the family, and total marital status, and the social status was calculated. And the results were out of 70 patients, 55.7% belonging to the lower socioeconomic class presented with the advanced glaucoma, 31.4% belonging to the middle socioeconomic class presented with the moderate glaucoma, and 12.8% belonging to the upper socioeconomic class presented with the mild glaucoma. The glaucoma is the leading cause of irreversible vision loss, and patients with the socioeconomic deprivation tend to present late. Therefore, the screening of all the patients should be done at the village level itself with the dilated fundus evaluation or the digital tonometry or the handheld fundus camera, so that we can prevent it. And the literate people from the village should be given the health education regarding the glaucoma, so the blindness can be prevented. Most of the patients presenting to glaucoma clinic were from the socioeconomic classes, from which the upper presented with the milder form, the middle socioeconomic class showed the moderate glaucoma, and the lower socioeconomic class presented with the advanced glaucoma. And this was the glaucoma information sheet which were given to the village people who are literate, so that they can help the other people also. Thank you so much.